I was in the bedroom, and then a big boom.
My mother's bedroom being right here and the kitchen being right there, it was unbelievable that it didn't go in either direction and it went right down the middle between where both of us were. We have felt very blessed and have somewhere to go because there's a lot of people out there that didn't have anywhere to go. If it wouldn't have been for that, I don't know what me and my mother would have done. What I've missed the most is being in a home that's yours, to be able to lay your head down and know you're home. You are home.